Hi teacher, I want to give you a report on the lathe shaft, including design specification compared to the actual product. According to the drawing, the lathe shaft, the lathe shaft has the length of 50 millimeter plus or minus 0.25 millimeters. This means the length the length may deviate 0.25 from this size. It should be from 49.75 millimeter to 50.25 millimeters, and the maximum length of the part is 50.25 millimeters. However, the inspector's measurement is 50.40 millimeters, which is inaccurate. Because the difference is 0.15 millimeters. They are outside tolerance. Next, the drawing below shows a shaft with a specified diameter of 6 millimeters plus or minus 0.004 millimeters. This means the diameter may deviate by 0.004 millimeters on either side of this size. The inspector's measurement is 6.015 millimeters, so it is outside tolerance because it exceeds the maximum allowed size. And the last, the hole depth is incorrect. The hole depth is allowed between 9.75 millimeter and 10.25 millimeters. This means the maximum depth of the hole is 10.25 millimeters, but the inspector's measurement is 10.25 millimeters. It is smaller than the design so it will be difficult to assemble. All of the design specifications are acceptable based on the inspector's measurements. Therefore, this product will not be rejected. That's all. Thanks for listening.